I am in a hurry, so on my way to practice, I grab a plastic water bottle as I run out the door. While I'm at track practice, I lay my plastic water bottle in the grass while I'm running. When I'm not looking, the wind picks up my plastic water bottle and it blows away and becomes another piece of plastic and litter in our city. Using plastic water bottles is an easy thing to do, so a lot of people use them. It's convenient. They're so light though, they're easily blown away, they go to landfills, and they endanger our environment. Through my research, I discovered that over 60 million people use plastic water bottles a day, and they either end up in landfills or on the streets, in parks, or even the ocean. This threatens the environment and also human health. I am sure we've all used plastic at some points in our life and have even seen them laying around the city. I'm discussing this topic today because the future of our planet and the health of future Americans may depend on this. We don't want to cause health issues for future Americans or leave them with a depleted ozone layer. So today, I'm going to inform you about using plastic water bottles and the issues they cause. I will begin with the unbelievable amount of plastic water bottles used and thrown away. Water is vital for human life. In order for us to live each day, we have to be hydrated, and we often carry around water bottles to do so. A majority of people use the disposable water bottles that I was referring to, but those water bottles are not actually disposable. Even after we're done with them, they continue to stay on our earth for thousands of years. According to Healthy Human, Americans throw away over 35 billion plastic water bottles a year. Out of those 35 billion, only 12% of those are recycled. On this picture, it shows how many are recycled and how many are just thrown away. So where do the rest go? The rest of the bottles either land up in landfills, such as that one, or they go to oceans, or they just lay around our cities. Now, we will discuss why these water bottles are so bad for us and our planet. Plastic water bottles are causing issues for both human life and health and our environment. The issue is that plastic water bottles do not just disappear when you're done with them or throw them out. Some people don't even do that. Some people just let the wind take them away or throw them out their window onto the streets. According to Eleanor Burke, plastic debris to be carried long distances by winds or in water. Having this plastic laying around is not good. When water bottles are thrown out, they go to landfills where they sit for thousands of years. Plastic also often contains hazardous chemicals which can be leaked into the atmosphere from the water bottles while they're sitting there for all those years. These chemicals or fumes can affect people and animals' health in a negative way. All these gases slowly wreck the ozone layer also. A lot of times plastic ends up in oceans, hurting ocean life also, and that can also affect our ecosystem. Lone from How I Woke Up to the Plastic Solution Problem said, I saw small reef fish swimming amongst the straws, plastic bags and fragments. I even noticed they were pecking at the plastic. Now that you know the issues with plastic water bottles, I will share with you some of the ways that we can solve this problem. There are many ways to help save our health and our environment. Each of us have the ability to help and contribute to this solution. One way is by buying reusable plastic or using different materials instead of the plastic water bottles. Some of those are pictured here. Another way is to start recycling our plastic water bottles. When you recycle them, they can be used for new products or different things instead of them just going to waste in landfills. We have to work together as a country, though, to ultimately solve this problem. One way is to help our government fund more programs to use different materials rather than plastic. Nature Valley says plant-based green composites are environmentally friendly because they naturally biodegrade once they're thrown in compost piles. In conclusion, we have discussed the outrageous amount of plastic use, where it goes, and the issues it is causing. Our Earth is covered in plastic and we need to stop it. Now, imagine walking down the roads not seeing a single bit of plastic as you walk, or going to the beach and ocean and the water being perfectly clear. Imagine living on a planet that has a healthy environment and healthy humans. That could be us if we just stopped using plastic.